Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to English Quizly channel. Today we are going to do a video on what are different types of nouns. Okay, nouns are like the names of all the wonderful things around us. But just like you can have one toy or many toys, nouns also have two forms such as singular noun and plural noun. Singular nouns are like one in a box. They name one person, one place, one thing, and one idea. Examples of singular nouns are boy, girl, teacher, doctor, etc. In the case of place, we can say the singular nouns are like park, school, house, city. In things, we can say the singular nouns are like book, pen, car, table, etc. In the ideas, we can say like love, happiness, peace, freedom, etc. Okay? Plural nouns. Plural nouns are like adding a plus to your vocabulary. They name more than one person, like place, thing, or idea. It's like saying balls instead of ball. Examples of plural nouns. Like in the case of person, we can say the plural form plural noun as boys, girls, teachers, doctors. In the case of place, we can say the plural nouns are parks, schools, houses, cities, etc. In the things, we can say books, pens, cars, tables, etc. In the case of idea, the plural nouns are loves, happinesses, peaces, and freedoms. Okay? I hope you have got an idea about nouns and different types of nouns. She bought a new pair of shoes. The dog is barking outside. The children played in the playground all day. My mother packed a delicious sandwich for lunch. I would love to visit the Eiffel Tower of Paris. The doctor gave me a prescription for some new medication. The artist painted a beautiful landscape of the sunset. The dove is a symbol of peace and hope. I need to buy a new case for my phone. The museum was full of interesting exhibits and artifacts. The children wrote a letter to Santa Claus asking for new toys. The lemonade was delicious and refreshing. The beach is a popular tourist destination in Hawaii. The athlete won the gold medal in the marathon race. The students enjoyed their field trip to the zoo. The author told us a story about a brave knight. The garden was full of colorful flowers and butterflies. The salad was a delicious and healthy meal. The superhero saved the day by defeating the villain. The lake was a beautiful and peaceful place. We went hiking in the beautiful mountains. The eagle flew across the sky with grace. He built a sand castle on the beach. The baker baked a delicious cake for the party. The expert provided us with valuable information. The pianist played a beautiful melody on the piano. The dancer danced across the stage with elegance. The lamp lit up the room with its bright light. Language is a powerful tool for communication. The explorer told us stories about faraway lands. The doctor saved the lives of many people. The teacher taught us valuable life lessons. The hotel provided us with a warm and comfortable place to stay. The comedian entertained us with his jokes and stories. Friends helped us solve our problems. The heart is a symbol of love and hope. Water is essential for our survival. History is a reminder of our past. The universe is a beautiful and complex mystery. The life is a journey of self discovery. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.